Hello, my name is Herman, and today we'll be going over prime factorizations. So today we have the numbers 6, 12, 24, 34, and 72, and we're going to be finding their prime factorizations. So the prime numbers are numbers that don't only have one factor, such as 2, which is 2 and 1, or 2 or less factors. So then we have 3, which is 1 and 3. Then we have 5, which is 1 and 5. But then if you have 4, you have 1, 2, and 4, which that doesn't make it prime factor. So that's just a quick examples of numbers that are considered prime numbers. So here we have 6. And here we're going to find the prime factors of 6, which if you divide 6 by 2, you're going to get 3. So then your first prime factors are 2 and 3, as you see here. And since 2 is already a prime number, we don't have to go any further. And then 3 is also a prime number, so we don't have to go any further. Now we have 12. So if we divide 12 by 2, we're going to get 6, as you see here. Now 2 is the prime factor already, but then 6, we can still factor this even more to find the prime numbers. So then we divide 6 by 2, and that gets us 3. So then the prime factors of 12 are going to be 2, 2, and 3. So if we multiply 2 times 2, that's 4, then multiply that by 3, that's going to be 12. Then we have 24, and we're going to do the same process again. We're going to divide 24 by 2, so it's going to give us 12. Then we're going to divide 12 by 2 again, since 12 isn't a prime number. Then it's going to give us 6. Then we're going to divide 6 again, which is going to give us 3. So then our prime numbers, as you see here in red, we write them out all separately, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which is going to give us 24. And this is just a way to check if the prime numbers that you got by doing this process are correct, is by writing them out and multiplying them, and then seeing if they get you your number that you started out with, which 24 and 24. Now we're going to do 34. So we have 2. We're going to divide 34 by 2, which is going to give us 17. And then here we have 17, which if we divide by 2 doesn't give us a whole number. So then this is actually a prime number, since its only factors are 2 or 1 and 17. So we multiply 2 times 17, which gives us 34. So that means that's correct. Now we have 72. We're going to divide 72 by 2, and then it's going to give us 36. And then, since that's not a prime number, we're going to divide 36 again by 2, which gives us 18. And then we're going to have 18 again divided by 2, since it's not a prime number, which is 9. And then here we have our first example that you're not always going to divide by 2 by a number. So 9, we're going to divide it by 3, since 2 doesn't go into it and make a whole number. So we're going to have 3 times 3 here. So now we use the numbers that are prime numbers, and we write them out. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, and that's going to equal 72. One of the common mistakes that you might make in these types of problems is rushing through the factorization or prime numbers, and then not seeing that one number that you factored isn't a prime number, or that a prime number that you thought was isn't. Yeah, those are just some things to look out for. Don't rush these types of problems, though they might be easy. You always want to double check your work, as we did here below, where we multiplied the prime numbers we got and then saw if they equaled the original numbers. Thank you for watching this video tutorial, and keep on learning.